How to curve text in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bend or curve text in Picsart. First of all, here in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. Now, you can create or open any of your older project. So, you are entered in this editing platform now. So, this is the editing platform where you can input your text. Now, if you scroll to the right, here you can see an option called text. Tap on text. Now you can enter any text that you like. Here on the top, tap on this tick button. So the text has been imported. Again, here on the bottom, if you scroll to the right, you can see the option called bend. Tap on bend. Now you can manage this, adjust this bend to however you like. Here there's another option called perspective. You can even modify the text by this. So you can modify however you like, and here at the last, tap on the stick button. So you're done. So this is how you bend or curve text in Picsart. Thank you for watching.